Meaning of gotten.
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 Gotten. Gotten is the past participle of the verb get, which means to obtain, acquire, or receive something. It is commonly used in American English, while British English often uses got instead. The use of gotten is mainly in perfect tenses and passive voice constructions, such as I have gotten a new job, or he was gotten by the police. It can also be used colloquially as a substitute for become, as in I've gotten really tired of this job. Overall, gotten is a versatile and widely used verb form in English language.